Alrighty, guys, we've got week 14's warm-up, and this was Monday's warm-up. So we're going to go over how do we solve these problems. Okay, so the first problem that we have is order of operations. And remember, order of operations is PEMDAS. So the P stands for parentheses. That's the first thing that we need to look at. So we need to do what is in the parentheses. But we can't add 51 to 6 squared until we take care of the exponents first, because exponents comes before adding. Okay? So let's do that exponent line, and that's going to be 6 squared, which is really the same thing as saying 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Bring everything else down. And now we take care of the rest of the stuff that's in the exponents. So I have to add these two numbers together, 51 plus 36. If I don't know it quickly in my head, I can come over here and do some side math. So this is 87. And then times 9. I got to remember to bring down the times 9. Okay, so 87 times 9. I have to come over to the side because I don't know that one off the top of my head. I don't know. Maybe you guys do. Okay, so 87 times 9. 9 times 7 is 63. So I'm going to carry my 6. And 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 6 is 78. So I have 783. So 783 is my answer. Easy peasy. All right, second problem. How much money should John get back when he uses $10 to pay for purchases totaling $5.25? Okay, so if I give somebody money and I'm going to get some back, they're going to subtract some money from me. So this is a subtraction problem. So it's $10 minus $5.25. All right, so that should be the problem that you do. Hopefully you all know how to do this. You should come up with $4.75. Normally we would put the dollar sign, but because it's in Canvas, we don't use it, okay? All right, and then the last problem, the ratio of light crayons to dark crayons is in a box is 3 to 5. The number of darker crayons is 25. What is the number of lighter crayons? Okay, so let's write our starting ratio. So the ratio of light to dark is 3 to 5. And then it says the number of darker crayons is 25. So this is the number I have to figure out right here. Well, how did I get from 5 to 25? I multiply times 5. So if I do it to this side, I'm going to do it to this side. So 3 times 5 is 15. So our answer is 15 lighter crayons, okay? Now, I want you to bear in mind, I did this a little differently. Do you see how I just kind of wrote it out? But it's the same thing as writing a ratio table. Light, dark, 3 to 5, right? Didn't I do that? Light, dark, 3, 5. I'm just writing it different. I'm writing it left to right instead of up and down. Went from 25, we multiplied by 5, do it on the bottom, we have to do it on the top, so it's 15. Okay. All right, that's your warm-up for week 14. Remember, all of the problems this week are going to be very similar. It's just the numbers that are going to be different, and you just have to, really get good at doing those problems.